Hi, welcome to Micro Macro Trader Community. Today we are going to compare MEX exchange with Bitget exchange. If you see the gist of both these exchanges, it looks like this. But before we get started, if you want to get the best possible deposit bonuses for registering on these exchanges, you can check the links in the description below. Right now, both the exchanges are providing up to 8,000 USDT deposit bonuses. So let's get started. Both the exchanges were launched in 2018. The number of markets on MEX is little more compared to Bitget, but on MEX you will find less vetted tokens, but you will find higher token variety because they are listing more newer coins. Bitget you will find tried and tested coins with somewhat stricter vetting. If we speak about KYC limits, there are no KYC on MEX exchange, but on Bitget you have to get level 1 or level 2 KYC. So this is how the gist of both the exchanges look like. If we speak about in terms of how big the companies are, MEX exchange is having 96k followers and 5,000 employees, and Bitget is about 200k followers and having about 5,000 employees. As I said, MEX was launched in 2018. It is spread across 170 countries and 30 million users use MEX exchange right now. And if I speak about Bitget, it has about 100 million users. Its trading volume is about 20 billion USDT, and it is also spread across more than 100 countries right now. If we speak about the trading volumes in more detail, MEX is having 3.5 billion trading volume in last 24 hours at the spot trading and is having 26 billion derivatives trading volume in last 24 hours. If we speak about Bitget, it is having 2.9 spot trading volume right now in last 24 hours, and in derivatives it is having 21 billion. So volume wise they both are neck to neck, but I have used both the exchanges, but I have faced somewhat slippages at the Bitget exchange in the spot area. But for me, both the derivatives side has proven very useful, and the derivatives trading volume is really competitive in both the exchanges, so you can choose whatever suits your trading style and volume. Now, if we speak about the KYC verification, which is another important feature which any trader looks into while registering on an exchange, MEX exchange is having 4 levels of KYC. You can get started on MEX exchange without any KYC also, and you will get 10 BTC withdrawal limit. They have another 3 levels of KYC: primary KYC, advanced KYC, and institutional KYC. According to your KYC level, the withdrawal limits will change. But in some countries and regions, without KYC, you won't be able to deposit or withdraw more than 1,000 USDT. So you have to pay attention depending upon which region or country you are belonging. Almost all the countries are supported on this exchange. So level 1 KYC will require government issued ID with face authentication. So any government issued ID of your government will work. But if you're wanting to do level 2 KYC, it will also require proof of identity as well as proof of address. So this higher level of KYC will give you higher level of deposits and bonuses and other features. So you can try level 2 KYC. Speaking about leverage, which is another favorite feature that I want to look into. If I am trading spot, of course, leverage is not involved. But if I am trading futures or perpetuals, healthy leverage is required to maximize the returns from the funds that I am deploying. So 400x leverage to 500x leverage is available on MEX. Of course, this level of leverage is dangerous. I don't recommend anybody using this level of leverage, but it is available if anybody wants to use. The level of leverage I recommend and I trade with is 10x to 20x. So you will find higher leverage on MEX on BTC USDT pairs or ETH USDT pairs, which are having higher liquidity. Now, if we speak the same about Bitget, the leverage level can vary anywhere between 0 to 25 to 50x to 75x to 100x. So that way, both the exchanges will satisfy your leverage needs. But Bitget only has futures to be traded. No perpetuals are available here. If you are a seasoned trader and if you are not paying attention to the trading fees, will eat away your capital if they are not at the lower end. If we speak about MEX, the maker fee is 0% and taker fee is 0.05%. And on the future side, the maker fee is 0.01% and the taker fee is 0.04%. So you can drastically reduce your MEX trading fees by holding the MEX token, which I will further explain. Bitget fees looks like this. Spot fees is about 0.1% at the maker and taker level. And if you increase your trading volume, you will qualify for VIP 1 to VIP 7 levels. And accordingly, your maker taker fee will be reduced drastically at the spot. The similar thing will happen at the futures trading fee also. If you are trading more than 5 million or 10 million volume, you can reduce your USDT margin account, coin margin account, and USDC margin account. So it typically varies from 0.02% to 0.06%. Maker is somebody who is making or giving liquidity to the exchange, and taker is somebody who is taking the liquidity out of the exchanges by consuming the orders. So this is how the fee structure of both the exchanges look like. If we speak about another important security feature which crypto industry has started adopting 2 years back, is the proof of reserves ratio. Proof of reserves is nothing but proof from the exchange that they have the funds which the users have deposited with them. So if you see USDT reserve ratio is above 100%, BTC reserve ratio is also 117%. What does that mean is that if all the users have deposited 100 BTC on MEX, then MEX on their behalf is holding 117 BTC. So this reserve ratio is important for the peace of mind of users who would be able to comfortably trade on these exchange in case there is a bankruptcy, liquidity crunch, or hack. Those users will be having a relief in their mind. And similarly, Bitget has also started publishing its total reserve ratio. So if you see, it is almost twice as much as the reserves that they are maintaining at Bitget. This means is the average reserve ratio of the exchange is 191%, which means that if the users have deposited 100 USDT or $100, then the exchange is holding $191 on their behalf for the security of users. So you can see the reserve ratio of other currencies also. For Bitcoin, they are having almost 4x the reserves, which is more than sufficient. Many exchanges started launching their utility tokens a couple of years back, and MEX is also one of those exchanges. So it launched its MEX token in 2019. And the MEX token is useful for a variety of reasons. It helps you win rewards for holding MEX tokens. It gives you voting rights, discounted subscriptions, and helps you get free airdrops and vote on new listings. MEX is a staking coin. So you can stake this coin and even earn rewards on MEX exchange. Right now, you can buy MEX token from MEX exchange or any other exchange also. It is trading at $2 about, and the market cap is 266 million. And if we speak similarly about Bitget, Bitget is also having its native token called BGB. It is right now trading at $4.4 and it is having a market cap of 5 billion. So if you see in terms of size, Bitget native token is huge in comparison to MEX token. So Bitget token is a utility token that can be used for reducing your trading fees, paying your transaction fees, participating in platform activities, and accessing perks, and sometimes can be used for voting also. So in that way, you can be a shareholder of the exchange and participate in the internal activities where, depending upon how much token you hold, that is BGB token or MEX token, your incentives will vary. This is how both the exchanges are comparing with each other. If you want to see a gist, this is how it looks. If I want to trade newer tokens with higher leverage, I will be using MEXC exchange. I have been using the exchange for last 2 years, and Bitget exchange I will be using when I want to do KYC and trade more Bitcoins with lower fees. So then I will be choosing Bitget exchange. And if you want to check out the best possible deposit bonuses, you can check the links in the description below. We are a premium trading partner for both these exchanges, and right now both the exchanges are providing 8,000 deposit bonuses, which is very lucrative. So this is Sudhir from Micro Macro Trader signing off, and see you again in the next video.